Yo, it's Thaiya. So today is 4K Monday, and as always, I'm going to be sharing some golden nuggets with you. I've also got an amazing giveaway worth over $100. So make sure you stick till the end of the video to find out how you can win it. Hit that like button, subscribe, and let's get started. Welcome back, guys. So can you believe it's been 3 weeks since I started the daily vlogs? Just want to say a huge thank you to everyone who's been following. It's been amazing. I really can't believe that I've been able to go this long, and I also can't believe we've been in lockdown for this long. So since there's not much really happening around, I thought to talk to you guys about some of the amazing experiences I've had, which I feel could be of use to you guys as well. I thought to share the backstory to my 10 baths as to how it started and why I'm always on it. So about 2 years ago, Chanel and I quit our jobs and we went to Chiang Mai to rediscover ourselves, develop ourselves, and start anew on our freelance journey. Around the same time was when I was exposed to Audible. It's an amazing app that basically goes through the entire book and reads it out to you, narrated by different people. At first, it was a little hard to get used to, but if you are doing something repetitive, I highly recommend it. I am not the person to usually read a book, and I haven't as a result of me having the lack of attention to kind of read a book basically. But just plugging a headset on, listening to an audiobook whilst running has just been so much more easier for me to do. I'm not going to lie, there are times that you might get distracted and you might zone away. But most of the time, you're going to tune back in and going to understand the gist of pretty much everything going on. The first book I listened to was The Power of Habit. And if you haven't heard me talk about it already, I highly recommend you check that out because it is an amazing book. Whilst reading this book, I was able to build so many habits. The main one being quitting smoking, as well as a bunch of other really productive ones that I have brought into my life. Make sure you subscribe to the channel below to see me talk on each one of those later on. I'm thinking about doing something around how I quit smoking. I think it might be of use to a lot of people right now during this curfew because it's probably the best time to do it. But yeah, so basically I got on Audible. Since then, I've gone through at least 25 books. I have never thought of myself as being the kind of person who do that. And it's only been because it's been such an effortless task to do so. So today, because I just reached 100 subscribers and I want my channel to be all about giving, self-development, and just sharing my experience to possibly help others, I figured the best thing I could do is share one of my Audible accounts. Now, this is an account I have been paying for the last year and has had credits been accumulating on it. So it's got 12 credits, which are worth $150 at least. Each credit could be used to purchase a book, and it's already got 4 books on it. So I'm going to be giving this away to one lucky person who follows the competition guidelines. Make sure you guys head into my Instagram page. I'm going to leave the link down here and follow me there. I'm going to be posting the guidelines over there, and hopefully you guys will win it. Even if you don't win it, I highly recommend that you check this out. If you're the kind of person that finds it hard to read a book, listening to one is probably the next best thing, and it is definitely something you should be doing. Now, there are a bunch of other apps also that you could probably listen to, like Blinkist, which kind of summarizes books for you. But there's nothing quite like going through an entire book. I'm told there's nothing quite like reading a book, but I feel I've learned so much from just listening to one that I want to share this method with all of you guys. So that's it for today. I am super thankful to all you guys for joining in. I'm going to be doing some pretty cool stuff going forward as well. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. And I will see you guys tomorrow for GoPro Tuesday. Peace.